Hey there, Avi. I'm going to show you a demo on how you can use the cloze deletion proof of concept. Thank you very much for giving feedback, and I hope we can get this merged after some testing. So, cloze deletions example. So you can use the toggle list as you already know. I'm just going to use some Scandinavian countries as example. So, what is the capital of Norway? Right? And I'll just put Oslo in exclamation mark. So that's the question. And if you mark this and then hit Command E, it's going to become a code block, and that's how you make it a cloze deletion. And you don't need anything inside of it, so I'm just going to leave it empty. And then I'm going to create a new one. The capital of Sweden is Stockholm. I think that's how you write it in English. And then let's make that also cloze deletion. And the capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. Here, and let's also make that the cloze deletion. And now we have created several closes, right? So let's export that, and let's save that. And then you know the drill, right? You go to Notion to Anki, you're going to see it says cloze deletion is the default now. And then hit, what did I call it? Sorry, let me check again. HTML, and then choose this one. Give it that, so choose this one. Choose this one, right? We just click convert. And you can see it's fast as usual. It created a new deck, and if we take a look, what is the capital of Norway? It's of course Oslo. Good. What the capital of Sweden is Stockholm. Good. And yeah, so you can see that's the implementation of cloze deletion. And let me know what you think. And yeah.